Welcome to this presentation on the key differences between a microcontroller and a microprocessor. Today, we will explore their architectures, applications, and what makes each unique in the world of electronics. Introduction. Microcontrollers and microprocessors are fundamental components in modern electronics and computing. While they may seem similar at first glance, they serve very different purposes. In this session, we will break down their characteristics, helping you understand when and why each is used. What is a microprocessor? P. A microprocessor is essentially the brain of a computer system. It performs arithmetic, logic, control, and input-output operations. Microprocessors are found in devices where intensive data processing is required, such as personal computers and high-performance applications. Popular examples include Intel's Core i7 and AMD's Ryzen processors. What is a microcontroller? C. A microcontroller is a compact single-chip system that integrates a CPU, memory, both RAM and ROM, and input-output peripherals. It is designed for embedded applications where it performs specific control tasks. Examples include microcontrollers like Arduino's AMEGA328P or the ESP32, commonly found in home appliances, industrial automation, and IoT devices. Key differences: architecture. When comparing their architecture, a microprocessor generally contains only the CPU and relies on external components for memory and input-output. In contrast, a microcontroller comes as an all-in-one chip, bundling CPU, memory, and I/O peripherals together. This makes microcontrollers ideal for compact, low-power applications. Key differences: applications. Microprocessors are best suited for general-purpose computing tasks such as running operating systems and performing complex computations in desktops and laptops. Microcontrollers, however, are perfect for embedded control tasks such as operating washing machines, smart sensors, and automotive systems, where dedicated control is needed. Cost and power. A significant difference lies in cost and power consumption. Microprocessors tend to be more expensive and power-hungry, requiring additional cooling and external memory components. On the other hand, microcontrollers are affordable, consume low power, and are often battery-operated, making them perfect for compact devices. Summary table. To summarize, microprocessors focus on complex computing tasks and are built for high performance, while microcontrollers are purpose-built for controlling specific tasks within embedded applications. Choosing between the two depends on your project's complexity, cost considerations, and power constraints. Conclusion. In conclusion, understanding the differences between microcontrollers and microprocessors helps us select the right component for the right application. Microprocessors handle intensive computing, while microcontrollers efficiently manage control-oriented tasks in embedded systems. Thank you. Thank you for your attention. Feel free to ask any questions you may have.